Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Gadgets.com, and today we are going to do a hands-on comparison in between these two devices. We have the Nokia Lumia 1520 with us, which is the latest tablet from Nokia, and we have the Nokia Lumia 1320, which is another tablet from Nokia. And one thing which is similar on both of these two displays is with both of these devices is that you have the same display size, which is 6 inch, and 6 inch is quite huge because whatever device you hold out of these two, it is quite difficult to use these devices with one hand. So the one-handed usage of any of these two devices is kind of limited because you cannot actually reach every part of the screen with one hand, and same goes for this one. But if we compare these two devices on the basis of specifications, there is a major difference in between these two. This is, you can say, a more affordable tablet which will come to India at a better price point, whereas this one is going to be a premium tablet from Nokia which will come to India. This one has the latest Snapdragon 800 chipset, which has the latest processor of 2.2 GHz quad core with CARIAT 400 CPU. So when it comes to this device has a Snapdragon 400 chipset, which has a 1.7 GHz processor. So you have a 2.2 GHz processor on this device, which is a quad core processor, whereas you have a 1.7 GHz processor on this device, which is a dual core processor. As far as battery is concerned, we have the same battery on both of these phones, and it is non-removable. If we take a look over these two devices on the basis of build quality and the overall form factor, the form factor is fairly the same on both of these phones, whereas when it comes to the weight, the weight which we have on the Nokia Lumia 1320 is lighter as compared to the Nokia Lumia 1520. That is something which we can tell you. Apart from this, if we take a look over the application front, both of them come with the same version of Windows Phone 8, and this is the latest version, and they come with the Windows Phone Black update, which combines these applications, which includes Nokia Camera, which is a combination of Nokia Smart Cam and the Nokia Pro Cam, which we have seen. So it combines both of these applications together to create a better experience. And you also get the Storyteller application, which is a new application which comes pre-installed on both of these phones. Both of these phones will also be able to run Temple Run 2, which is now available on Windows Phone platform, and some other Windows Phone which are older as well, which they can also run this game because this game is now available. When it comes to other applications, you get Nokia Beamer application, which is an enhanced application which you will get on both of these phones pre-installed. And this application, including the Nokia Beamer, Nokia Camera and the Storyteller, they will also come to other phones as soon as they get the Nokia Lumia or the Nokia Windows Phone Black update, which will have these applications, and you will automatically get these applications on the older Windows Phone which are launched before these two. Now when it comes to the camera, the front camera which we have on the Nokia Lumia 1320, it is a 0.3 megapixel VGA camera, whereas we have a 2 megapixel camera on the Nokia Lumia 1520, which is higher, and it can record high definition video as well at 1080p. Now if we compare both of these two devices as far as camera is concerned, we have a 20 megapixel camera on this device with the Snapdragon 800 chipset, which supports the 20 megapixel camera, whereas we have a 5 megapixel camera on this device, which is 1/4 in terms of the megapixels which you get in the pictures which you will take from these two devices. We have dual LED flash over here, whereas we have single LED flash over here. Now both of these devices are the unibody devices, as you can see. At the bottom, if we compare both of them, they are fairly the same, although the thickness which we see on the Nokia Lumia 1520 is thinner as compared to the Nokia Lumia 1320. If we take a look over the bottom, we have the micro USB port for data syncing and charging. On this side, we have nothing on the 1320, whereas on 1520 we have two SIM trays. We have two trays, one will accept a micro SIM and other will accept a micro SD memory card to expand the storage of the device. However, when it comes to this device, we do not see a micro SD memory card expansion slot on 1320 as compared to 1520, which offers the same. When it comes to the button placement, we have the same kind of button placement on both of these phones, but the kind of button which we see on the Nokia Lumia 1520 and on the 1320 are different. Again, they are plastic in terms of the overall build quality. If we take a look at the top side of these two devices, we have the 3.5mm audio jack on 1320, and we have it on the 1320 and 1520 as well. And this is how they look like from the front side. And again, the display is same. We have the same kind of design as far as touch capacitor buttons are concerned, which are there on the body of the phone, not within the display. And we have the earpiece over here, the front camera is over here. So in terms of the overall build quality, both of these phones are equally good. In terms of the overall form factor, they are approximately the same because both of them are 6-inch devices, which are fairly large, and we call them as a phablet here in India. As far as other specifications are concerned, this one is going to be a powerful device in terms of overall performance, whereas this one is going to be a decent performer but less powerful than this one. This one is going to be an affordable phablet. This one is going to be a premium phablet which you can buy. So that's all from us as far as the quick hands-on comparison in between these two devices. Do let us know if you have any specific question for any of these two devices. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.